So today we're going to talk about synthesizing, and what better way than seeing what a synthesizer does. So let's think about it. We're starting with one sound. You can hear it's a nice tempo. So let's see what happens if we add something to it. It's changed. It's not just one steady beat, it's changed. Just like if I look at the cover of a book and I think, wonder what I know about this book. What do I think is going to happen? So I think sounds like a pretty cool song, but what happens if I add something else to it? I continue reading. It's changing just like my thinking. It's changing into something new. That's what my thinking. Now I think sounded a little more movement to it. See what happens as we continue. I continue reading, I get that schema, I get my background knowledge, I question, I do all of those things, and it's going to change my thinking. I'm trying to add one more piece. So what we ended up with, we started with this, we ended up with something totally new. That is what synthesizing is. We take what we learn as we're reading, we add our prior knowledge, our background knowledge, our schema, the connections that we make, we think about questions, and we come out with new learning. That is what synthesizing is.